Capitalism has devoured both Christmas and Easter. Businesses and entrepreneurs don't really care what kind of a product is presented before them. If it's determined to have merit, a market research and test run is initiated. If the product or products produce substantial capital on the test run, an extensive ad campaign is implemented. Last year's holiday retail sales in the United States reached a whopping $843 billion, and believe it or not, it was stated that it was a conservative figure. Holiday retail sales are a fraction of the total retail sales in the U.S., which was a mere 5.6 trillion in 2020. Sales from online commerce and the digital industry rose significantly the same year. Not long after Valentine's Day, the sale of pastel-colored baskets, plastic eggs, jelly beans, and most famous of all, chocolate bunnies, increased dramatically, which reminds the general public, especially the children, that Easter is approaching. Let me pose a question. What in the world does a silly rabbit have to do with the celebration of our risen Lord? I suppose there's a reason, but I don't want to know it. Chocolate rabbits, jelly beans, parades, parties, egg coloring, and egg hunting have sadly replaced the true meaning of Easter. It is my sincere hope that those of you who have taken the time to watch these videos will take to heart what I've tried to convey to you. A radical change must take place. It only takes a spark to get a fire going. Past and present traditions during these special days isn't going to change anytime soon. We must, however, be vigilant and do what we can to break the traditions, and slowly but surely, together, we will succeed in putting an end to all the falsehoods, distractions, and everything else during these special days. We must persevere. Eventually, these two sacred days, Christmas and Easter, will be celebrated as they should and were meant to be.